Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Patterson local and long-distance movers near me. Our crew of reliable movers can make sure your long-distance move goes easily. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the USA. With us, you get all the best moving services to make moving so much simpler. Along with the standard long-distance moving services, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be very easy to reconcile the price of choosing a California moving company. However, after a close look at the major perks of working with a local moving company, you will likely find that it's well worth it. You get the benefit of saving time on your local move, which might be well worth it. Movers can also assure you don't have to handle any of the heavy lifting. With our skilled movers, you get a very efficient move from start to finish. With a local moving company such as 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. No matter how big your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Patterson moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.